What's up, folks? My name is Trail, better known as Budget Bill, and today we have an exciting video for you guys. You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. I am officially monetized on YouTube, and it only took about 15 months to get there with the help of you guys, of course. And because of that, I've decided to be transparent and share with you just how much my first YouTube check was for the month of June. But before we get started, if this is your first time to the channel, hey, welcome and glad to have you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can be a part of it. Also, be sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm because it really helps the channel grow. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. What's up, guys, and thanks for sticking around. So today I am finally filming the video to share with you guys, my audience, on the progress I have made with my YouTube channel. Now, this video may be somewhat late considering this happened over a month ago, but I was challenged with whether or not I should post this information to you guys. And after careful thoughts, I decided it would be okay to post, and I decided to have my first giveaway to show my thanks and gratitude of you guys for clicking my videos, smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and commenting down below on each video. So before we get into how much my first check was on YouTube, I want to be clear that this is in no way of me bragging or boasting about how much I made. And I initially started this channel to help as many people out with finance and to share my own financial experiences with you guys. So this channel gives me an outlet to do just that. So I wanted to create a video so I could be transparent about my first YouTube check, because ultimately none of this would have happened without you guys. So I thank you. And that goes for the people who have subscribed to the channel, as well as the people who have not subscribed to the channel and still watch my videos. And especially for the people who watch and click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, as well as commenting down below. I want to be transparent and show you guys that hard work and sleepless nights has done for me. And the same thing can happen for you guys as well if you are thinking about starting your own YouTube channel. I also want to announce my first giveaway on this channel, and simply because I would like to give back to the people who made it all possible, you guys. And it really makes me happy to give back to the community as well. The hundreds and thousands of you out there that have watched my videos. I am giving away $250 worth of Visa gift cards. So if you are interested and want to receive one of those free Visa gift cards, be sure to stay to the end of this video to find out how you can win this free money. And y'all know we love free money, right? Okay, so moving on to the reason you guys are here. I started my YouTube channel back in March of 2019 as I was just laid off from my full-time job. So after being laid off from my job, I decided to upload my first video about that situation. Fast forward about 15 months of being on YouTube, and I finally met the requirements of being monetized on June the 5th of 2020. And on that day, I was able to turn on monetization to earn income through the distribution of ads on my videos. And for the month of June in 2020, I earned a total of $6,166.37. That is mind-blowing. I couldn't believe how much I have generated during my first month of being monetized on YouTube. And that month of June wasn't even a full month, considering I was able to turn on ads on June the 5th. So I was still missing the first 4 days of the month. And then I said, hold up, wait a second. All of this was possible because 15 months ago, I decided to take action and start a YouTube channel? And here we are today. I planted that seed months ago. Then I have been watering that seed with multiple uploads per week. And now that seed has started to blossom. Now, I am going to continue to water those seeds as I continue to put out quality content and videos, as well as tips and tricks to help you guys around finance, credit cards, and real estate. Now, at this point, I know exactly what you guys are thinking. You're probably going to comment down below and state that this is just fake news or Budget Bill is a liar. So I want to go a step further and switch over to my magic screen to show you guys so I can keep it full transparency. Okay guys, we are now on the magic screen, or just my computer, and we are going to open up fresh. We're going to go to YouTube. So right here we click on YouTube, and then we're going to click and go to YouTube Studio. So this is going to bring this up right here. Okay, now we're going to go to Analytics right there, and then we're going to change and go up here, and we're going to do a custom view. Actually, we don't have to do a custom view. We can just click on the month of June. Okay, right here guys, here is your proof. You see right here on your screen, during the month of June, I had a total of, or I received a total of 5.9 subscribers that you see right there. I received 309,000 views for that month of June, as well as 25,000 watch time hours, and my estimated revenue for the month of June on this screen, because this is YouTube, this shows me the $6,166.37. Now, typically this number is a little off from what AdSense actually gets registered, because they review all of your clicks to make sure that everything is legitimate and make sure that there's no false clicks in there. So there's a little bit of changing within the numbers, because I believe when June actually ended, this particular number on your screen actually stated about 6,400. But after they cleared things up, then the actual finalized number showed up as $6,166.37. All right, so you can see it right here on my YouTube. But we want to go a step further, and we want to go and look at what AdSense pays me, because YouTube is not the one that actually pays you. You actually get paid from Google's other company, which is called the AdSense group. And now we're going to open up a brand new browser, and then we are going to go to the AdSense. We're going to go to my page right here. Over here on the right side, you see where it says balance. We're going to click on view payments, and this brings up on the screen, and you can see from June the 1st through the 30th of 2020, they sent me a total of $6,166.37. And you can also see it right here as well. It states that your last payment was issued on July the 21st. Now, for those who don't know, YouTube and AdSense, they are about almost a month later as far as paying you. So for the revenue that you receive for the month of June, they would review it in July, and then ultimately you get paid around July the 20th through the 24th. So it takes about 20 days in order to receive your paycheck from the previous month. Okay. All right, guys, let's go ahead and switch back so we can finish off this video. And there you guys have it. I have shared with you and showed you on the screen the proof in the pudding of the blessings that was presented to me, Budget Bill. Now, let's discuss the giveaway that I am doing this month. Here are the details of the $250 giveaway. I would like to give back to those who support this channel and what we have going on here by giving away a small token of appreciation. So I would like to give away one $100 gift card, two $50 gift cards, and two $25 gift cards. And that is a total of $250 in free money. Y'all know we love free money, right? Now, in order to enter this giveaway, here are the requirements that need to happen. Number one, you must be subscribed to this channel. Number two, you must head over to Instagram and subscribe to my IG page. Link in the description. Number three, you must smash the like button on this video so the like button will turn from gray to blue. And number four, you must comment on this video with something positive to say. That should be super easy for you guys, right? But yes, that's it. These 4 requirements are super easy to do. The giveaway is going to finalize on August the 22nd. So that gives people around 14 days or less to enter to win. Good luck on the giveaway. Other than that, hey, once again, I appreciate your support, and I look forward to making more YouTube videos around stimulus updates, credit cards, personal finance, and real estate. So if you enjoy any of those topics, you definitely want to be subscribed to the channel. Other than that, hey, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.